Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 September journal plans. So for a while now, I've been wanting to create a pink and green journal, and it's kind of turned into a little bit more of a pastel shabby chic journal. So we'll see where this goes. Best laid plans and everything. So I am using a journal kit, a digital kit here from Caroline's Craft Tree, and you can find her on Ko-fi is where I purchased this from, and it's called Delicious Daisies. It is a baking themed kit, and I'm going to go through the kit here, and then I also have some other items I'm going to be using, so we'll go through these as I go along. So first thing I want to do is kind of get these pieces of fabric here off of the table so we can kind of look at the kit a little bit more. So these pieces of fabric are old sackcloth fabric and feed sack, and so what I've done is pulled kind of the pink and green pastel blue ones out. I had purchased these from an Etsy shop called Gertie Bird's Buttons, and as you can see, there's other colors in here, so I might end up coordinating some of these in with this, but for right now, these are kind of the colors I'm going for. And I have a few more pieces in my stash that I'm going to pull out and get those incorporated in there. But all of these pieces and these I've purchased from Gertie Bird's Buttons on Etsy, so you want to check that out if you're looking for 1940s vintage bead sack material. So here is the kit from Caroline's Craft Tree. I'm going to move these items over a little bit so we can kind of look at each page here. So I printed this just on I think it's a 23-pound paper, and then I've left the back just white so I can decorate those pages. That kind of helps me control how many pages I'm decorating in a journal. Is I kind of decorate the unprinted pages. That's just kind of my way of doing things. So as you can see, there's a very pastel colors in this kit, and I've admired this kit for a while, but I went ahead and purchased it a little bit ago and then printed it out, and I've never done anything with it. So I decided to pull it out because it does have that pink and green kind of feel to it. And I printed 2 pages of this because I like the print. So there's 12 pages total for your journal pages. And again, this is called Delicious Daisies if you're looking for that. And then I've printed 3 pages of mine from my Sentimental Rose kit that you can find on my Ko-fi page. And I thought the colors went well with this, and I do want to incorporate some roses into this journal. So those are going to be included in there. This is also part of the kit. These are the ephemera pages here, and it comes with these pockets that I'm going to have a lot of fun working with. So as you can see, this is going to be a really fun journal. Lots of pockets and tuck spots and tickets and old bottle caps that are decorated up. And then I'm going to incorporate some of these little images in there as well. This is called Tiny Flower Cards, and it's 2 pages, 72 tiny flowers. So I printed out several pages of this, and I thought these would be really cute to kind of cut out strips and make belly bands and, incorporate those pastel colors. I went ahead and printed out the cover page because these are a little bit smaller images, so I could work around and do some of those for maybe like a cluster or something. So here are those pages. And then this is from Caroline's Craft Tree, and I don't know if I think this is a separate kit. I don't remember the name of that. And I'm not sure if I want to incorporate these or not. These I know I'm going to. So some of these images with the roses, I might pull those out as well. So that's the kit that I'm using. And then I'm going to use some tea dyed and natural dyed papers from my friend Cheryl's over at Cheryl's Crafts. She is on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Ko-fi, and Etsy, all under her Cheryl's Crafts name. So as you can see, she does a beautiful job, and I thought these would make a really nice transition from the printed pages. And then I also have some like green grid paper. I might use that in here as well, but I'm not sure yet. I have to pull that out of a bin, and I had a quick minute to make this video, so I thought I would just pull what I had together that I know I'm going to incorporate. And then here's another page from Cheryl's, and these are nice and dyed and crunchy sounding, which we all love. So these are going to be incorporated in between the pages here. So for those of you who are not familiar with the challenge, the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge is me and 5 of my friends, and we have decided that we're going to take all of, well, not all, but 12 themed journals this year, and we're going to create a journal a month and get those journals off of our bucket list. So I've had a lot of fun with this challenge. You'll want to check out everybody else's challenge, or I'm sorry, channel that's participating in this challenge and co-hosting it with me. This is an open challenge, so you can make your own bucket list of items. It doesn't have to be craft related. It can be craft related. It doesn't have to be journal related. It's just taking the things that you've been wanting to make or do and get those off of your list this year. So we will definitely be doing this next year. It's been a fun way to make sure that I'm at least being creative a couple times a month. The people who are co-hosting with me and I have committed to making 2 videos a month. One like this, which is our reveal video and our plan for what we're going to do. And then at the end of the month, we all post a completed journal video so that you can see what we've done. So stay tuned. You'll see this journal. It will be available in my shop when I'm done with it. But for now, we're just folding pages here as I'm talking. So go ahead, in that description box below, you'll see a link to everyone else who is co-hosting this with me. So please check them out. We have Dawn with Scrapbook Sage, Trisha with the Cool Cole Family, April, Mama Juju Crafting on the Back 40, Joan, Joan's Junk Journal and more, and Sheila, the Creative Nana, aka Sheila. So you will want to check their channels out and see what they are doing this month, because everybody has a different theme. We all choose our own theme. So sometimes our themes are the same, sometimes they're very different. But I've had a lot of fun watching the other channels as well, and watching the ladies get things off of their bucket list. So I'm going to end this video with a little crinkle page here from my friend Cheryl's. Go ahead and check her out. I'll put her links in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this real quick video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.